Where does responsibility begin when we're talking about conserving a world worth living in? We believe that it begins by actively protecting our nature. For this reason, Nobilia only uses wood that originates from sustainably harvested forests, where for every tree that is felled, a new one is planted, where the habitat of animals and plants is maintained. This is precisely why our kitchens carry the quality seal of the world's largest forest protection organization, PEFC. And we are the world's first kitchen manufacturer to be able to make this claim. That's how we see our responsibility.